Hey guys, I know you're wondering how to pay Verizon bill with Afterpay. Well, let me give it to you honestly, it is not actually possible. What you need to do is use this. Okay, this is called Deferred. You can come to deferred.com. So this is a service that basically pays your Verizon bill upfront and allows you to pay them back in installments. Okay, very easy as you can see right here. And you can do this with Verizon. As you can see, you can pay your Verizon bill. So this is how it works, guys. You first upload your bill, okay? You send a photo of your Verizon bill and choose the amount you want to pay. And then what happens is Deferred pays Verizon, okay? The full amount up front, and basically you pay Deferred back in 4 installments charged every 2 weeks, interest-free, okay? This is completely interest-free. Don't worry about that. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. Go to deferred.com. You can come here and pay your Verizon bill using them. Okay, just get the app as well. You can download this on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You can see the reviews are very solid. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.